Two candidates participated in an election. 20% voters did not cast their votes. 10% were declared invalid. Winner got 40% of the total votes enrolled and won by 2,400 votes. Find the total number of votes. So let us say there were 100 enrolled voters, did not cast were 20, and who cast their votes were 80. 10% were declared invalid. So out of 80, 10% were declared invalid, which means 8 were declared invalid and 72 were valid. Winner got 40% of the total votes. So this is winner and the guy who lost. So winner got 40% of total votes, which means 40% of this. So 40. So this guy must have got 32 because out of 72, 40 he got. So he got 32. And won by 2,400 votes. The difference is 12. So this 12 ka value is given as 2,400, which means 1 ka value is 200. Find the total number of votes. The total number of votes is 100. 1 ka value is 200. So 100 ka value will be 20,000. So 20,000 is the answer. Correct? Let's go ahead. In an election between two candidates participated, 20% did not cast their vote, out of which 600 votes were declared invalid, and winner gets 75% of valid votes and wins by 1500 votes. Find the number of voters in the voting. So let us say 100 people were enrolled, did not cast were 20. The people who cast their vote were 80. Out of which 600 votes were declared invalid. So invalid were actual 600 votes. So here the quantity is given. And winner gets 75% of valid votes. So there will be valid here, and there will be winner, and there will be the person who lost, and wins by 1500 votes. So find the number of voters in voting. So this is how the scenario is given. But here what is happening is, I do not know this figure here. So now I cannot compare between winner and loser. I cannot compare, the difference is 1500 I know, but I cannot compare isko kitna percentage, isko kitna percentage, because I do not know this. So what I will do is, I will consider the valid vote here as 100. And I know winner got 75 and the loser must have got 25. The difference between these two is 50, whose value is given as 1500. Because 1500 votes से वो जीता है, तो 1 की value will be 30, which means ये valid votes होंगे वो 3000 होंगे because 100 है, invalid 600 है, तो cast vote कितने होंगे 3600, और ये जो 3600 है वो 80% of total votes है. So 80 is corresponding to 3600, and number of voters in the voting is 100 की value पूछी है. So 100 upon 80 into 3600. So this will go, this will go. 290 और इसको कर दो 45. So 45 into 100. So this is 4500 voters were there in the voting. Okay, pretty simple. So here what was the difference? Because I did not know this percentage, I assumed this as 100 and I went backwards. Correct? Two candidates fought elections, 10% did not cast their vote and 60 votes were invalid. The winning candidate got 47% of total votes and won by 308 votes. Find the voters enrolled. So let us say ये 100 है total votes, total voters, and 10% did not cast their vote. No cast. So जिसने कास्ट किया है वो 90 होगा. And 60 votes were invalid. So invalid थे 60. The winning candidate got 47% of total votes. So total votes were 100. So the winner got 47%. This is actual quantity. And the guy who lost. So understand one thing. And this difference is given as 308 between winning and losing. So understand one thing. Now I cannot directly compare this difference because there is another invalid here. तो मैं इनवैलिड का डिफरेंस मेरे को इसमें फैक्टर करना पड़ेगा. तो अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग कि अगर 90% ने कास्ट किया और 47% 100 का 47% विनर को मिला, मतलब इन दोनों को मिला के 90 - 47 43% मिला होगा. करेक्ट. सो व्हाट हैपन्स, अभी ये जो विनर का जो वोट्स है वो फिक्स्ड है बिकॉज इट इज 47% ऑफ टोटल, विच मीन्स ये जो वेरिएबल जो 60 है मैं लूजर को दे दूं. अगर मैं लूजर को ये 60 दे दूंगा तो इनका जो डिफरेंस 308 का है वो 60 से कम हो जाएगा. $248 हो जाएगा, विच मीन्स अब विनर और लूजर के बीच में डिफरेंस 248 का हो गया जब मैंने इनवैलिड वोट्स लूजर को दे दिए. इन दोनों का डिफरेंस कितना है? 4%, जिसकी वैल्यू 248 है. एक की वैल्यू कितनी होगी? 62. मेरे को 100 की वैल्यू पूछी है तो 6200 इज द आंसर फॉर दिस. एब्सोल्युटली क्लियर. सो व्हाट आई डिड वाज 100 में से 10 डिड नॉट कास्ट, 90 कास्ट. विनर गॉट 47% ऑफ द टोटल विच इज 100 का 47 इज 47. इनवैलिड विद 60 वोट्स. लूजर और विनर के बीच में 308 वोट्स का डिफरेंस है. तो मैंने क्या किया, टोटल तो 90% ने कास्ट किया था, इसको 47% ऑफ टोटल मिले तो जो बैलेंस बचे हैं 43% बिटवीन बी लूजर एंड इनवैलिड. बट लूजर एंड इनवैलिड को मैं कंबाइन करूंगा तो ये जो डिफरेंस है 308 का वो 60 से कम हो जाएगा, जो 248 हो जाएगा. So be 4% is 248, 1 is 62, so 100 is 6200. So here what we did was, one smart thing we did was, invalid votes अपन ने लूजर को दे दिए. उससे क्या हुआ कि मैं डायरेक्टली डिफरेंस को कंपेयर कर पा रहा हूँ. जैसे मैंने इस लूजर को इनवैलिड वोट्स दिए, या जो 308 था उसका डिफरेंस कम हो जाएगा 60 से, एंड आई एम एबल टू फाइंड द टोटल वोट्स. एब्सोल्युटली क्लियर. So dear students, please connect with me on my WhatsApp channel. If you have any doubts, I'll be happy to solve them, or keep me motivated by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.